Formerly the Grand Caribe, this resort was taken over by Panama Jack Resorts in 2017 and is one of the best all-inclusive values in the Cancun hotel zone. Affordable prices draw a fair number of partiers as well as families, thanks to the resort's plethora of drink-slinging bars, daily entertainment, and kid-friendly facilities. Renovations in 2017 and 2018 have updated the property with a stylish, modern, and cheerful look. Off these areas are the coffee bar, where guests can often be seen grabbing a cappuccino in the mornings or a cinnamon roll when the bell is rung to let travelers know they're fresh out of the oven. And Jack's Landing Bar, where nightly entertainment such as karaoke draw travelers who choose to stay on site. Other dining spaces are elegant, yet casual. Renovations were also completed at the Kids Splash Area, Kids and Teens Clubs, and Ventanas Restaurant. Travelers will likely see a wedding here, as this hotel has its own Catholic chapel, a gorgeous, glass-walled spot overlooking the beach. Plus, oceanfront ceremonies are popular. Various beach and travel quotes attributed to Panama Jack, the brand's founder, add a cute touch to the walls. The vibe throughout is fun and friendly, but the relatively small size of the pool and the limited beach shade could be an issue for some during peak season. Panama Jack Cancun is set in the heart of the hotel zone of the city, just a little bit south of the main clubs and the convention center. It's about a 20-minute walk or 5-minute drive to Coco Bongo, Senor Frogs, and the Cancun ICC. La Isla Open Air Mall and Plaza is a 5-minute drive south of the resort. Downtown Cancun is around 20 to 30 minutes away via bus or taxi, depending on traffic, both of which can be hailed from the avenue in front of the resort. Cancun International Airport is around a 25-minute drive from Panama Jack Resorts Cancun. All renovated in 2017-2018 with the same design, Panama Jack Cancun Rooms are modern and stylish, featuring an airy, beachy look. They have marble floors with blue striped rugs, wood furniture with white glossy tops, patterned throw pillows, and large photos of palm trees. All of the rooms are billed as suites, but don't let that confuse you. The entry-level standard suites start at 387 square feet and are a single room. Many are configured with sunken sitting areas housing sofa beds and small dining tables. Balconies come standard, and each is furnished with 2 chairs and a hammock. Most rooms look out over the ocean in some way or another. 6 ocean view swim-up suites with a shared pool are available. Quality amenities include air conditioning, mini bars stocked with free beer, water, soda, and juice, and coffee makers. On the technology front, there are flat-screen TVs, free Wi-Fi, and in-room safes. Closets have bathrobes, slippers, and ironing facilities. Bathrooms typically have orange onyx marble countertops, walk-in showers, an array of quality toiletries and hairdryers. Whirlpool tubs overlooking the ocean are found in some of the higher-end rooms. All of the necessary features for a beachside getaway are provided, including 2 pools, loungers by the ocean, a kids club, and small spa. The Panama Jack Resort's 2 pools are a bit small for the size of the resort. The main oceanfront pool has a shallow area and is surrounded by loungers, but umbrellas are scarce and go quickly, as do the cabanas. There are plenty of activities though, ranging from bingo to pool volleyball to tug of war. The beach is a truly beautiful stretch of white sand, and beach volleyball is offered. However, the ocean surf can be pretty rough and prevent safe swimming. Because of that, non-motorized water sports are not available right on site. Guests will need to drive 5 minutes to Aqua World for use of equipment such as snorkels and paddleboards. The Kids Club has supervised activities for ages 4 to 12, and there's also a teens club called Hashtag, with activities throughout the day. The Kids Splash Pool with a small pirate ship has multiple small slides and tends to be a hit with the little ones. Evening entertainment includes parties at the beach, live music at the lobby bar, and weekly Mayan shows, which largely receive positive reviews. The gym is fully equipped with cardio machines and free weights. Some units have access to a VIP lounge on the 6th floor, which offers its own check-in and concierge, all-day snacks and drinks, and a pool table. While many resorts have some form of a chapel on site, the windowed one here is ordained for Catholic use only and has gorgeous views over the beach. Other areas, such as the beach and various convention spaces, can also be used, and the hotel hosts around 220 weddings per year. Wi-Fi is free throughout. There are 5 restaurants to choose from at Panama Jack Resorts Cancun, most of them with ocean views. 3 a la carte restaurants are open for dinner only and include an Italian spot, casual American, and European eatery, and traditional Mexican. Reservations are not required, but it is recommended to line up early as lines can be long. The lobby coffee bar is open from early until late, serving various coffee drinks, baked goods, and grab-and-go sandwiches. Multiple bars include one by the pool, beach, and lobby. If you want to find more about other hotels, resorts, things to do, or other locations, feel free to go through our channel. We would appreciate it if you could leave us a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.